Hey guys, welcome back to Thomas Innovative Mind. And today, we're doing another system test. Just give me a moment, guys. Copyright. Sorry, guys. So today, sorry about the delay, guys, but today we're doing a system test 4, which is very exciting. Now we do have keys for this pole station, but the only thing is that they only gave me one key when I bought the pole station, so yeah, I'm gonna have to order more keys for this pole station, which is very easy to do. I have no problems doing that. Alright, system is running. So, in this video today, I'm also gonna show you guys the power cycle procedure for the system, because I'm gonna show you after we do the system test that because the pole station and the thermostat does not have any resistors at all, can't reset. You can't just go here and hold down the reset button. Like, you have to power cycle the system. We're gonna show you that in a bit. So let's go ahead and pull the pole station. Oh yeah, my sweater matches with the pole station, so that's nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull the pole station in 3, 2, 1. This is going to be loud. I do apologize about that, guys. I somehow forgot the pin that I normally use here on YouTube, so I had to stop the camera for a second so I can enter in the master code for the system. Anyways, let's go ahead and reset the pole station. This pole station takes the 17003 key. Gonna go in here, turn it. Now when we turn it, can't take out the key. That's the thing when you turn it. So we're gonna have to leave the key in here. Open it. There's a switch right here that we just push up. There you go. Now we're gonna take our C as in cat, 254, A as in apple key, and unlock the thermostat. And I did rewire this thermostat, so now a fan switch, so it acts as a test switch. I can excuse me. I can show you that right now. In 3, 2, 1. There you go. And thanks to Master Pins, I was able to reset that user slot that I normally use here on YouTube, so that's nice. Gonna put cover on. Now resetting the system, right? Now the issue is that the pole station doesn't have resistors, neither does the thermostat. So normally to reset this, you had to on and disarm the system. But if we try to arm the system, it's saying that it was unable, that quick beeps and then the long beep followed by that meant that that it accepted the code but it couldn't arm. Because I'm gonna enter in the wrong code on purpose for you guys. But you enter in the wrong code, we have that long tone beeping, meaning that it didn't accept the code. So by hitting 0622, which is the current code, it you had three quick beeps and then one long beep after that, saying that it cannot arm the system. So the next procedure we would take is by pressing and holding the reset button. To do that, there's the reset button right here. We're gonna press and hold. It's trying to reset, but it couldn't reset. Try that one more time. Tried to reset, it couldn't reset. That was that long beep. So now we're gonna do the backdoor version of the reset button, and that's by entering star followed by 72. So we're gonna do that now. You got that long beep, meaning that it cannot reset itself. Gonna try start followed by 72 again. It cannot reset itself. So at this point, we will have to power cycle the system. That makes sense since the system doesn't have any resistor and can't reset itself. Now, normally on the DSC system, you're normally using a 5.6K ohm resistors on these, but the thing is that this system was used and didn't come with any, so that's always a good thing. But it still works, as you guys do see. You just can't reset it, you have to power cycle that. To do that, I'm gonna go up here to the panel. We're gonna take our 544 key and put it in and turn it. You can actually take it out. That's what unlocks this control panel right here. You have the keypad, which is this right here, but then you have the control panel right here. See? Now, before we go into too much details, if we go star followed by 1, that's bypass. Star 2 is trouble codes. Star 3, in the other hand, tells you what zones are open. So see, if it said zone 1 and zone 2 has a fire in memory, but normally just by power cycling the system, should clear that memory. So we're gonna go up here. Guys, I'm gonna warn you, if you don't know what you guys are doing, I don't recommend you do this at all. I'm gonna give you fair warning right now. We are not responsible if anything happens, if you guys get electrical shock or anything like that. Okay, so anyways, we are gonna open up the panel, and there's somebody decided that they want to live in here. Bunch of bugs. And unplug the negative terminal of the battery. Now, once again, guys, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. We are not responsible if anything happens. For example, if you get electrical shock. Alright, we're going to close the panel back up. And then we're going to go here. And this switch cuts the AC power to the system. So I'm going to go shut that off. And if you notice time right here, it's going to shut off with it, with the switch. There you go. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds. At the exact same time, we're going to turn off this switch, which turns off the siren. The reason why you want the siren turned off is because the siren says it's going to get power before the panel does, or it's going to chirp. And I can tell you that it's very annoying. Okay, so been a couple of seconds, so we're going to go ahead and turn on the switch that connects the AC. Panel is booting up now. We're going to turn on the bell wiring. Trouble light does come on. That makes sense because, yeah. And we're going to go back up here. Sorry, this is long. I'm going to go into the panel. And, plug the negative terminal back in. And grab our 544 key and lock the panel. And then, now yes, there is a trouble light. So if we go star followed by 2, we have number 1 right now. That number 1 followed by number 5. Basically what that means is module fault, and there's nothing going on with the internet module on the system, so I'm gonna have to call in a licensed engineer to come over to this system and fix that trouble code. Now, it's going to pull up another trouble code just momentarily. I'm not sure if it already did. Not yet. But that other trouble code is number 5 when you first get into that menu, which is star followed by 2. And that's because the pole station and the thermostat does not have any resistors. And normally the system has to see that resistance to over the reset. That's why we had the power cycle panel. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.